This 2024 Airstream Bambi 19CB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 19 feet 1 inch in length and features a Dune, white Cypress interior, sleeps 4, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, stovetop burner, DVD player, awning, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream Bambi 19CB is 3,650 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.